Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add logo to your videos by using CapCut. So first you need to insert or import the video first into CapCut, and to add your logo you can use the overlay menu overlay function on CapCut. So click on overlay and click on add overlay, then select the logo. So you need to make sure that the logo is doesn't have any background or is on a PNG format, or you can also use the auto removal on CapCut. Okay, so for example, this is the logo that I want to add into my video. Here you can adjust the length, and you can also adjust the opacity of the logo by clicking on the logo, and you can use the blend or splice option. Here, just position it to how you like it and you are done. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye!